Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this delicious jerk sweet potato and black bean curry. I'll have the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Make a start by finely chopping one onion. Next, I'll peel and dice into even-sized chunks 3 sweet potatoes. I'll be using 1½ roasted peppers. I bought the ones ready done and I'll chop those into chunks as well. In a large pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll get that nice and hot and I'll fry the onions until soft and slightly coloured. Once my onions are soft, I'll add a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and a teaspoon of curry powder. I'll give that a good stir and let it cook out under a medium heat for a couple of minutes. Then I'll add the jerk seasoning. I'm using the Dunn's River paste and I'll add 2½ tablespoons. After giving everything a good stir, I'll go in with 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Then I'll stir in 150 millilitres of tomato passata. I've washed the sweet potatoes from earlier and I'll add those. To 1 vegetable stock cube, I've added 300 millilitres of boiling water and I'll get that stirred in and turn the heat up until it starts to simmer. Then I'll pop the lid on and allow to cook under a medium heat. The potatoes aren't quite cooked at this point and I'll add the chopped peppers from earlier. I've rinsed and drained a 400-gram tin of black beans. I'll stir those in and leave the beans and peppers to infuse with the flavours while the potatoes cook for a further 5 minutes. Now the potatoes are fork tender, I want the sauce to reduce and thicken a little bit more. So I'll turn the heat up and allow to simmer without the lid. So after a few minutes my sauce has reduced and thickened nicely. I'll stir in a couple of handfuls of chopped coriander and take it off the heat. And there it is, so simple but flavour packed jerk sweet potato black bean curry. Super tasty, served with rice, pasta or on its own. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please drop me a comment, share, like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.